Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear scholars, welcome to the channel, and this is the lecture series Artificial Intelligence for Business. If you are new to the channel, remember we are going to provide more content on this topic and related topics, so please subscribe to the channel. So before going towards artificial intelligence to business, we simply say what is artificial intelligence. So first of all, we talk about the origin from where artificial intelligence came from. And artificial intelligence is not that contemporary concept. In 1950, Alan Turing, who is considered the father of artificial intelligence, said, and I quote, "Can machine think?" So from there, the research begins. At a computer, and he also said a computer deserves to be called intelligent if it can deceive a human into believing that it is human. So the Stuart Russell in 2015, he also said that the human-led conscience is always a question, and this question is researched in various fields of life, various field of computer sciences, various fields of sciences, medical sciences, and also in business as well. Nick in 2015 also said that machine intelligence is the last invention that humanity will ever need to make. After that, everything will made by itself. Maybe, maybe not. So what is AI? A new branch of knowledge in computer science, that group of technical knowledge needed to automatically processing the information by computers. So this is the technical knowledge that automatically process the data and make the output. The science and engineering of making the intelligent machines. That is McCarthy in 1955 who defined AI as a science and engineering. AI generate machines that mimic reasoning, decision making, and exhibit some degree of human-like intelligence to solve particular problem. EU Commission in 2019 defined AI as the system that, given a goal, perceives their environment, interprets the collected data, a reason to derive knowledge, and decide the best action or set of actions to achieve the particular goal or set of goals. So this system, when you give it the data, it interpret it, reasoned it, perceived environment, and then make decision. But artificial intelligence, we don't stop at artificial intelligence. There is a huge difference between artificial intelligence and artificial general intelligence, which is the more advanced form of artificial intelligence. What artificial intelligence has certain limitations. It perceives internet and interpret and learn from the data, then make reasons and then make decisions. While artificial general intelligence, it exceeds the average human intelligence. It equals or exceeds the human intelligence. It's learned from the environment. It learns from the experience. It learns from time. Artificial intelligence solves the specific task. It has given the goal. It can work in its limitation, in its limits. But artificial general intelligence solve the range of tasks intelligently. You may understand this difference with some examples as well, and these examples quite clear, which make the artificial general intelligence different from artificial intelligence. So artificial intelligence, if you see the example of artificial intelligence, that is voice recognition, your voice assistance, face recognition in your phones and tablets, personalized recommendations in for some certain places, for certain rides on the app, and automatic industrial robots are the example of artificial intelligence, very common. But example of artificial general intelligence are certainly different. Is self-driven cars like Tesla making, and AlphaGo, it's the game that learn from experience, that play with various humans, and learn from them, and then improve itself to be a better player. It's the AlphaGo game. Generative AI is most common these days, like ChatGPT, is a natural language processing which takes certain prompts from humans and reason from them and make some intelligent decision and give the response accordingly. So the question here is, you can now simply identify artificial general intelligence from various products. For example, product recommendation in online shopping portal, it is not artificial general intelligence. It can be at artificial intelligence, but it is not artificial general intelligence. Self-driven cars is artificial general intelligence. Predicting rain probability tomorrow based on historical data, it is for particular event, it has limitation, it's artificial intelligence. It provides predictions. And writing text that describe the step-by-step new cookie recipe, it look like a prompt that generate a response based on the best recipe there. And I think this is the artificial general intelligence. So when we decide, this is these two options, these two products are artificial general intelligence example. So if, for example, we want to make a financial market, we want to earn from financial market and use AI for that, we have a workflow. It is for the layman. If they want to make artificial intelligence software to make a financial market robot or any other software, they need to follow this workflow. First of all, what they need to do, they need to collect the historical financial data of certain market, of various markets. Then they need to organize the data and feed it to the AI system for analysis. When it is put into AI system, AI software will analyze the data, will make some prediction with analysis and recognize some patterns. After that, do some reasoning about the particular financial event, give that reasoning to the software, what the software will do, what the product will do. It will provide an output, a result from the AI system about the particular financial event. That particular the AI system will provide the output of that particular financial event. When you receive the output, you can make decisions. You can, based on the results that provided by the AI system, you can make financial decisions. So what AI can do? AI can do four things. We will put details separately, but first we know what AI can do. It can predict and make inferences. It can recognize certain patterns in data. It can optimize your data or optimize the results or optimize the output. It can provide some automation strategies as well. So first we talk about prediction and inferences. Machine learning is a tool of artificial intelligence. What the machine learning tools do, they learn from the data how to make prediction and inferences. So what they do, they put some predictors or input into the software. When we provide past data or predictors as an input, machine learning tool make prediction and inferences from that data, and from prediction and inferences, we have output in a shape of future forecasts and various output. How like prediction provide future forecasting about various data like stock market predictions and other business predictions like um, human resource screening, training, like recruitment screening as well. It can be a marketing tool, making better product, predicting customer loyalty, or how the product is going to perform in the market. What are the prospects? These sort of things, and inferences determine the output based on the input. Predictors from the predictors make the output. So simple. Pattern recognition provide certain things like analyze the data and identify the various characteristics of that data to make better inferences from it. So identify patterns that help make decisions. What those decisions are, like prediction and inferences, simple. It's a part of this pattern recognition. Furthermore, if you want to cluster the data, make some segmentation. Like you can make customer segmentation, clientele segmentations, and you can make other segmentations of your data, other clustering of your data. You can want to make a certain part of data, you want to analyze each part separately. um, you can also cluster various books if you are a reader. What genre of books are there and how you are going to analyze them. And these all sort of data can make you clusters: high performing data, low performing data, middle performing data, that these sort of things. Like in sports sciences, you can make better playing soccer team and lowest playing soccer teams. What are their nutritions and these sort of things. They can make clusters out of the data. Then data generation, generating generative AI. You can make various patterns, understand various pattern of the data, and then generate certain output from that, like generative AI do. We can understand generative AI a little bit after this. These types anomaly detection. It is also a very well researched area of study, where we identify various anomalies and how the participant perform in those anomalies. Like marketing strategies during COVID, it was the anomaly. The COVID situation was an anomaly, and how the marketing strategies changed or management strategies changed during those anomalous situation. So these are the various areas and data patterns that uh, AI help to recognize. These are the patterns that AI can help you recognize in the data, or in various fields like in business or in other fields as well. So optimization is the best possible solution at minimum cost under certain constraints. So optimization is the objective of most of the business areas. How to optimize sales, how to optimize your profits, these sort of things, up to how to gain optimum marketing strategy, how to gain the optimal talent as an employee of the organization, and how to gain the optimum supply chain strategy for business. So there is various things, like there is an example: smart routing in logistics or delivery. Smart routing, like Google Map, give you the most efficient and short time route to one place to another. Flights and hotel pricing in tourism, and maximum revenue campaigns in marketing. These are the example for optimization. AI help you to optimize your data. Automation. Automation in this, you give a task to AI tools or AI system, it automates the whole process. A set of data, it automates the whole process. Like follow the set of rules to perform tasks, usually repetitive tasks. Then you can automate using AI. Classifying document photos and etc. You can automate these sort of things. One of the example is job application screening. You give the command one time to the software, then it can make the screening about the job applications. You give the criteria of the talent, you give the criteria uh, of the whole uh, application screening process, then the software know what to do and it automate the process. Parcel management robots also, the, and there are a lot of example which provide you opportunity of automation. But remember one thing: AI is not exactly automation. AI is not exactly. We always confuse this concept with automation. It is not equal to automation. It help improve the automation process, automation strategy. So there are four things which AI do for you: artificial intelligence. But with the opportunities, with all the opportunities that AI presents you, there are certain limitations of AI as well. So lack of social skills such as emotional intelligence and empathy. AI don't know this thing. AI don't know emotions. AI don't know every emotional intelligence. There is lack of that social skills. New unseen situation. If the data don't present it, like new item to recommend, then AI cannot do it. Like ChatGPT has the limitation till 2021. It cannot present new data after that. So there is unseen situation. There is new item to recommend. AI cannot do that. Then biasness, if the data is presented in favor of certain groups, it provide unfair decision. It provide unfair decision in favor of certain groups, AI tools. And the final limitation, that is all the above limitations are part of this limitation, that is data. If the data is not right, if the data is wrong, processing is not right, and analysis is not right, interpretation is not right, and then results are not good. So AI will generate a wrong output with wrong data. So data is the big limitation. If the data is not good, then AI tools provide wrong information, wrong output, wrong decision making in certain tasks. So there are predictive AI and generative AI. Generative AI can generate responses out of the data. They understand, reason, and then generate response. So predictive AI provide prediction and inferences mainly. Forecast the gold exchange rate over the next week, whether it is a predictive AI or generative AI. You may understand after this all things played out. Estimate the value of a car based on physical and demographic features, whether what will be the value of a car on basis of the some physical and demographic. You give that features to feed that features to AI tool, then it predict the value of it, estimate the value of the car, any car based on its physical and demographic features. And last is generate a fictional picture of yourself flying with the aeroplane as Superman. So with these examples, you simply understand what is predictive AI. Predictive AI uses data which is fed to that condition, which are feed it into the AI system, and then provide prediction and output. A generative AI use the data, use reason, and then generate new data, generate new output. From this perspective, when we see that, first example is the example of predictive AI. Second is also the example of predictive AI. And the third one is simply a generative AI, which draw a picture of you flying as a Superman with airplane, is a new information which is generated from the prompt provided to the generative AI. That is a difference between predictive AI and generative AI. So this is the whole scenario, that what is AI. I hope you understand the artificial intelligence. I would like to make you to like and subscribe my channel and push the bell icon so that more content will benefit you in future. Thank you so